Our preference for any loose fixed retainers is to get you back into the office for a timely repair. One type of fixed retainer is to be bonded to both canines. If one side comes loose and you're worried about swallowing it, you can pull the other side towards the tongue to remove it. We do, however, prefer to get you back in to have it rebonded. The other type of retainer we have is glued to 6 teeth along the bottom. If the glue comes off of one of the middle teeth, don't worry about that. If one of the ends loses a little bit of glue and becomes sharp and bothersome to your tongue, take a piece of wax and cover the poking wire. You can also take something like chewing gum or cotton from a cotton roll. If the other side of the retainer comes loose but still has a pad of glue surrounding the wire, don't worry about that either. Sometimes when one end of the wire comes loose and our tongue plays with it, it can dislodge the glue from the surrounding teeth. If you find that the retainer is really bothering your tongue, then again, take a hold of the retainer and pull it towards your tongue to dislodge the glue. The same instructions apply to your top fixed retainer. If part of it becomes loose, feel free to apply some wax. If you take it out and have a clear removable retainer, please wear it more frequently at nighttime. If you have taken out a fixed retainer, be sure to keep it somewhere safe. If we're able to reglue the same retainer, it saves on time and cost for both of us. If you have any other questions about these retainers, please feel free to call our office.